Hello guys, and we are now here at Shinkansen and we're going to Tokyo. And right now, nandito tayo sa platform 14. And ang advice ko sa inyo is kapag non-reserved seat po kayo, just always look for this monitor. Tapos, basahin nyo yung notation. So, ngayon naka-Japanese yan, mamaya mag-English. And then, kapag nilagay nila is platform 14 and then parang car number 1 to 5, then look for 1 to 5. Okay, tapos isa pa sa mga tips ko, kunwari na-ignore nyo yan, mapapansin nyo lahat ng bullet train dito sa Japan has digital screen on the left side corner, right side corner if you're entering the car number o yung bagon. So yun, pagka nakalagay reserve seat, so hindi tayo pwede doon, maliban na lang kung reserve seat yung binook nyo, no? So mostly na mga cheapest na booking sa online, non-reserve seats. Okay, so yun, ayun siya guys. Papansin nyo yan, kung nababasa nyo. So, dito kami, Hikari. Okay? It's 231, tapos non-reserve seat. Tapos yung car number namin will be 1 to 5. Okay? So, waiting game na lang kami rito sa aming platform. And then, hopefully, 3 minutes earlier siya dumating para makasakay na kami. Because, as you can see, super bilis lang talaga ng staff nila dito. So once nandito na yung bullet train, you have to hop on and then you only have split minutes to arrange yourself. Tapos after that, all good ka na. Alright? So yun lang.
If you want the best view of Mount Fuji habang nasa Shinkansen, make sure to book a seat sa right side ng train, sa letter E. Kung pupunta ka ng Tokyo from Nagoya, around 40 minutes lang ay lilitaw na rin si Mount Fuji and sobrang breathtaking nito, promise! Don't forget to prepare your camera kasi mabilis lang dumaan yung view, pero super worth it.
Hello guys, so right now we are now in Tokyo. So room tour tayo dito sa tutuluyan namin sa Appa Hotel. So this is our room. So as you can see, on the right side corner you'll see a mirror, full body mirror. Then you have here a hanger, and then you have here little bathtub, very cute bathtub. A Japanese toilet and very good sets of amenities nandito na sa loob. So paglabas mo rito, you have flat screen TV, you have pang double yan, and then you also have here a mini desk. So compared to other Appa Hotel, I guess this is by far as good as the others. So yeah, anyway, yun pala, may salamin din. Tapos you have magazine if you wanted to read, and then yeah, time clock on the others, on the right side ng bed. So yan, that's for our room tour. So yeah, and then hotel hopping tayo on the third day. So lilipatan naman tayo ng hotel. So this is located at Roppongi. Okay, Appa Hotel Roppongi. Okay, bye guys.
Hello guys. So after checking in, nagpahinga lang kami saglit and we're going to Shinjuku to grab some dinner. And so yeah, we're traveling from Roppongi. So let's explore Shinjuku. So right now pala ang ground temperature ngayon sa Tokyo is 7 degrees Celsius. So, manageable siya compared sa natin. Nagna-navigate lang kami. So, babalik kami sa baba dahil mayroon palang way yung underpass papunta dun sa subway na sasakyan namin. So, part yan ng life. Ang medyo maligaw-ligaw. Siya nga pala guys, first trip namin to Tokyo, that was last year. We're using Suica. So, siguro mostly yung mga nakapunta na ng Japan, familiar na sila sa Suica. So, but kami, tinry namin to Tokyo subway for 48 hours. So, dalawa yung binili ko, isang 72 hours which is 3 days and then 2 days na 48 hours. The reason why we did that is that parang feeling namin if you're strolling around sa Tokyo, this is the best ticket that you should use for your transportation. Because sa Suica, ang deductible per route is 210 Japanese yen. If I'm not mistaken, nasa 80 pesos yun. So, here, we've got this for 390 pesos. So, imagine mo, 2 days. So, kahit punta kami ng Shibuya, Shinjuku, punta kami ng Ginza, punta kami ng Roppongi, for 2 days, kahit saan kami magpunta dito sa Tokyo, One to Sawa yung part. So, that's the trick behind the Tokyo subway. Unlimited pass yan. Basta, within the vicinity of Tokyo. City of Tokyo. Yeah.
Ngayong araw, we're heading to a much recommended food spot, ang Halal Ramen Shinjuku-tei. Tara, sabayan nyo kami sa biyahe. Papunta tayo ng Shinjuku area, so magta-transfer kami ng lines sa Tokyo Metro. By the way, kung may IC card kayo like Suica or Pasmo, super convenient siya. Tap and go lang. Ang travel tip ko sa inyo guys, always check your platform number and train direction kasi minsan may express at local trains. Pero don't worry, madali lang sundan. At yung mga staff dito sobrang helpful kahit simple lang ang English na alam nila. Isa sa mga pinaka nakakatawang experience dito sa Japan ay ang train system nila. On time dumating yung mga trains, tapos may mga sign and announcements sa Japanese at English kaya di ka maliligaw. Nandito na kami sa platform and as always, ang linis at ang tahimik. Grabe, iba talaga yung discipline dito sa Japan. May mga markings pa sa floor kung saan ka dapat pumila, so very organized.
So, we just got off from the train from Namboku line and we're going to transfer for another train going to Shinjuku. Di na kumukuha ng video sa loob ng subway or train because mga Japanese kasi conservative. Ayaw nila ng nakukuha na sila ng videos. That's the point. So yan, lang, naging aware lang kayo guys. If you're taking videos, yes, talaga sila. Ayaw nila na nakukuha na ng video.
理解使って違う話をしてると思って違う返事をするそんなもし役にはないんだなってあります。
So right now guys, we are here at Shinjuku and 3 minutes walk lang daw yun kakainan namin. I'll show you the place. Maybe magawin kayo rito sa top. Try niya rin. So yeah.
After ng mga ilang stops at konting lakad, nandito na rin kami sa Shinjuku Gyunmae area. It's peaceful part of Shinjuku. Ang lamig pero ang saya maglakad, lalo na kapag may warm food waiting. Malapit na tayo sa ating destination, ang Halal Ramen Shinjuku-tei. Perfecto for Muslim travelers or kung gusto mo lang ng comforting ramen sa malamig na panahon.
Here, dito sa Halal Ramen Shinjuku. Okay, here's the place. Malapit lang siya sa subway station. So, let's go inside.
So here's the place. Nasa baba lang siya. Yan. Oh, okay. Here's the place.
Isang
Ang in-order namin ay ang signature halal ramen with tender beef slices, soft boiled egg, and that rich in flavorful broth. May iba't ibang choices rin sila. May spicy, may soy-based, at meron ding vegetarian options. OMG, tignan nyo naman to. Ang sarap sa mata pa lang. Amoy pa lang panalo na. Sobrang savory at comforting lalo na sa ganitong taglamig.
Vlogger.
Ang broth, creamy, full of flavor at hindi overpowering. Yung noodles, perfectly cooked, firm pero chewy. At ang beef, sobrang lambot, parang natutunaw sa bibig mo. Makikita mo rin na halal friendly talaga. May halal certificate sa wall and English menu for tourists like us.
The orange in the water.
Sulit na sulit. If you're in Tokyo or looking for halal option or just something comforting this winter, Halal Ramen Shinjuku-tei is a must try. Friendly staff, cozy place, and top tier ramen.
Food was great. Even the savory of the ramen is great also. Wagyu is very tender. The good thing about this is that yung savory niya hindi lang nanggagaling dun sa ramen or sa spices. Ito pa yung mga nilagay na sibuyas flour. Even yung sibuyas. So overall, very good siya. Hindi siya nakakasawang kainin. This is located at Shinjuku. Malapit lang ito sa subway station. So look for this place. It's Halal Ramen. Hello guys, we are now here at Shinjuku. So parang yung Shibuya crossing nila. And we're trying to look for ABC Mart. And nandun yung ABC Mart. So yeah, it's very good here.
Wait!
Very good. So mamaya pa-picture tayo kay Godzilla. Pagkarami ng tao. Kung pumunta ako ng Shibuya last year, parang mas maraming tao dito.
Today, maglalakad tayo dito sa Shinjuku, isa sa mga pinaka-busy, pinaka-vibrant at pinaka-iconic na lugar dito sa Tokyo. At syempre, pupunta rin tayo sa ABC Mart para magtingin-tingin ng mga sneakers. Dito sa Shinjuku, every corner may makikita kang interesting. May anime shops, casual toy machines, may ramen restaurant sa tabi-tabi at kung gusto mo mag-shopping, heaven to. Walking in Shinjuku is part of the fun. Walang boring na kalsada. Kahit yung side street parang fashion runway. Makakita ka ng mga trendy local and travelers in winter fashion. Very Tokyo vibe.
We are now here at ABC Mart. Dito yan sa may taas ng Prince Hotel. So let's take a look at the available shoes.
Ang laki ng branch na to. And the best part, tax-free ka kung tourist ka. Just show your passport. Pagpasok mo palang mapapawaw ka. Organize lahat tapos ang daming styles na wala sa Pinas. Prices, minsan mas mura pa compared sa mall sa atin. Ito yung part na mahirap mamili. Ang daming maganda, ang daming choices, pero don't worry, napaka-helpful na mga staff nila dito. Most of them can speak basic English. And that is a wrap for today's vlog. I hope you enjoy exploring with me. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me so you won't miss out on the next adventures. I've got more exciting places and travel tips coming your way. So that's all for today, guys, and see you on my next travel vlog.